Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a proxy server on Linux. I'll walk through the process of creating your own Linux proxy server using an online proxy creation toolbox, and by the end of this tutorial, I hope you already have your proxy set up. To make this process easier and faster than manual setups, we're utilizing cloudproxylab.com, the ultimate tool for creating proxy servers. Before we start, make sure to create an account to access all the features. I will leave the link to the site in the description. To begin, you'll need a cloud account. You can choose from our list of 6 supported cloud providers, including AWS, Vultr, DigitalOcean, Hetzner, Linode, and Google Cloud. This variety ensures flexibility in hosting your proxy server on a 24/7 available server, and it's surprisingly cost-effective, starting as low as $4 per month for a Linux instance. Head over to the Accounts page. Choose a name for your account and select your preferred cloud provider. Follow the special instructions provided for each provider to seamlessly add your account. Next, navigate to the Proxies page and click on the Create Proxy button. You'll encounter a proxy configuration form where you can set your preferences. You can choose any location and zone from the menu dropdown. For example, you can choose to create a US proxy server, an India proxy server, etc. You will be able to choose any location from each cloud provider. After submission, the proxy creation process will conclude within 2 minutes. I will wait until the process is finished here. Once complete, congratulations! You now have your own Linux proxy server hosted online. Connect to the IPv4 proxy using the SOCKS5 protocol and HTTP. That's all for today's tutorial on how to create a proxy server on Linux using Cloud Proxy Lab. I hope you find it helpful. If you need assistance, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below.